Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Indigo Studio, and we are interior and architecture designers and Middle East and India. And today is my topic. I'm going to cover you the basic command of AutoCAD, like some basic commands. So I'm going to cover you the line command, circle, poly, and polygon. So these are the 4 commands I'm going to cover today in my video. So let me open the AutoCAD. So guys, when you open AutoCAD, the basic command of line you will select from here, like draw. You will go to the menu bar and it's here line command. You will select from here, or you can just basically type here L and space or enter. L space. So when you will draw it, like click one reference point and click any other point like here. So this is a very simple command to create a line. So guys, this is like line we created here. This is simple line, and as we know in AutoCAD we are creating everything in a dimension. So if you want to create the line in a dimension, you have to click L, press L in your keyboard and enter. So like you want to create a line like 10 meter. So you see this line is not in a 90 degrees, like there is line is not straight. So if you want to straight the line, there is a one options here, like on ortho. You will press from your keyboard F8, or you will click here to on ortho. So when I click here, you will check like this line is going in a 90 degree, like up and down, x and y axis. So when you click it here, and then you have to type the value, like if you want 10 meter line or 20 meter, you have to type it from your keyboard 20 meter and press say enter. So see, the guys create the line is 20 meter. If you want to check the dimension, you have to just click the command is simple, DLI and first point, and click in a second point, and drag it here. You will check this one is line is 20 meter. So this is a line command, is a very simple commands for beginners who can use to create your architectures or interior projects. My other command is my other command is circle. So see, so how to create a circle, like let me delete this one, leave it this one. So I just from your keyboards C, or you go to the draw menu and you will choose it here like circle. So I will create by my command line, so it's helpful, and you can create a project very faster when you will use the command. So I press C and press enter. So I have to click anywhere where you want to create your circle and drag it. So when you drag your mouse, you will see the circle is creating, but we have to create the circle in a particular dimension. So you will see the bottom, there is some tips for you. You specify the radius, circle, or diameter. So if you have a radius of the circle, you can press the radius, or if you have a diameter of the circle, you can put the value of your diameter. So I have a radius, I want to create the circle like a 5 radius, enter. So this is like create a circle, a simple circle. So if you will go to dimensions and check the radius, this is 5 meter radius is coming. So this is my second command. So how we create a circle. And my other command is polyline. So guys, what's a polyline? The polyline, this command is used to create a polyline. So polyline is like a command to it is like a single line. Like when you are going to create a one by line, you are going to create a line, choose L and enter. So when I create line here and like that, so this is not a single object, like this is a separate object, this is a separate, this is a separate, this is separate. So the polyline is a different from a line because it is create like a a single object. For polyline we have to press in your keyboard PL, the command is PL, you have to click and press enter. See, this is like a polyline and there is some reference like your help here. You specify the next point or arc, half width, length, undo or width. So I just have to, because this line is very heavy, so I have to make it like a simple line. So I have to create like a width. I have to press width, the point 0 and 0, so the line is going small. So when I create the polyline like this one, so it is, this is the one single object. The polyline is a one single object created here, and it's different from a line because there is some other features of this polyline. So in the polyline we can like if you will click PL and select any reference point, and when you, so we can create a arc in polyline, like if you want to create line, one line, and then I want to create like see this is in the bottom of your some help menu showing like arc, close, circle. So first I will use a arc, like I will press A from my keyboard and press enter. So you will see this polyline is creating like a arc, is dealing like a arc. So I can create an arc here, and there is some C centers, half length, radius, and if you want to click all the radius or something, press put the enter. If you will click like R and enter, then you have to put the radius 5 meter. See, this is creating like that. So in the line command itself you can create arc, you can create different objects like that. And basically this polyline is used to calculate the area or calculate the, it is used mostly calculate the area or creating some complicated object. So like that. And again you want to go in a line, so you have to just this one, and this line already created, and this is arc. You have to click here, and again I will show you some examples like this. So this is, if you press shift, the line is automatically get straight, and then one, and then if we want to create a arc like in with this line itself, so A, 1 point, this one, like that. And there is other thing in a polyline, like if you want to create a PL, like shift and arc, this is line. If you want to tick or make arrow by the polyline, you can choose width. So in a keyboard you can type W, enter, and give the first point value, like a first point I want 0.5, 50 meter thick, and the second point is 0. So see, this first point, this is one first point is like a 50 meter, and next is 0. So like arrow we can create by the polyline, like this one is a 50 centimeter and this one is a 0. So it is auto. If you want to create also a thick line or very so you can create by polyline by PL. You can select W, you can give 0.2 and 0.2, like see this two values is automatically create a very heavy line by the polyline. So guys, you will check the polyline. There is some other commands which you can check in polyline, like close, half width. Half is the same like a width, so a length, undo or something like that. So you will test it out and you will check and make experiment of this command. So it's a very useful command for the designing part, so you can use it. So my next command guys is polygon. The polygon command is used to create a polygon simply, and if you want to create a polygon, you have to go draw, and in drawing, go to drawing, and there is a polygon. This is a polygon. You can click from here, or you have to type the command POL, polygon, POL, polygon. And polygon, you have to choose the number of sides to create a polygon. So I have to choose 8 octagon or something like that. I just choose 8. So in a polygon you have to just create a POL any polygon, and choose the side, how many sides you want. You have to choose here like polygon showing the enter the side. You have to choose 8 or 6 as you want and enter. Then click anywhere in your screen, and then you have to press C from your keyboard and enter. Like it is automatically created, and then you have to put the radius. I will put radius like 5 meter and enter. Like this polygon is going to create. A simple polygons is like that. So where you will get the 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 sides. So as we put the value 8, so there is a 8 sides is here. So guys, this is a very simple 4 commands which I covered today, is like line, circle, polygon, poly and polygon. So let's play on it and you will know this is a very helpful command. So next video I will cover you some important commands which is useful for your design. So for this bye, and we'll see you the next video. So please subscribe my channel and give a comment, or if you have any query and question, you just leave in a comment, so I will help you out. Thank you so much for that.